Okay, this is a relatively new hot water heater that I see up here. I'd not been up in the attic before, as the new Duquesnes that are sitting up here, the new units that are in the attic. But what this water heater has, and I'm not really 100% familiar with them, but this thing is called a flood stop. Okay, and what the flood stop is, this is battery powered, and there's actually a normal charger here to be able to go ahead and look at this, to plug this into the wall. That's what I would do. I'd put like an extension on this light and plug the thing in so you're not up here messing with batteries. But it has a sensor that goes down into this pan, which is really nice, because what happens is there's a valve here. And when this unit detects a leak down in the pan, which is where typically the water would go, it actually shuts the cold water off. Okay, so what I did was I pushed the open button, which is right here. I pushed the open button, and now I have cold water going through this line, going into the tank, filling it up. And I have actually scalding hot water coming out of this, almost to the point where you can't touch it, which means that this unit was shut off, which means there would be no hot water in the system. So when the guy was cleaning the house, he used what hot water was in this system, and this tripped. So I would do one of two things. I'd either plug this thing in or constantly watch the batteries in it. So hot water will be in the house once this tank fills up. This tank is hot, which means it has hot water in it. So this cold water coming in should push that hot water out. And so we'll go down and take a temperature reading here in a few minutes. But be aware that this thing is up here. And it's, like I said, it has a sensor that goes into the overflow, which is great because this thing is up in the attic and it does protect the house.